is Rob Hursong. I'm the fire chief for the City of Harrison Fire Department.
Aaron Hopkins, lieutenant with the City of Harrison Fire Department.
Harrison is located in southwest Ohio. We are here to do a final on this ladder truck you see behind us, and also we purchased a rescue pumper. In southwest Ohio, we're right on the Ohio-Indiana border. We're a city that sits inside a township. So the vehicles that we purchased we're down here to do the finals on. Our City of Harrison elected officials bought one of those, and then our township trustees bought the other. We also, one of the unique things about us is we serve about 24 square miles in the state of Indiana by contract. So total we have about 45 square miles.
So some of the features, we went with the HP 78 side stack. Wanted that single axle. We run a lot of tight streets, a lot of narrow alleys in our downtown district. So we went with that kind of a setup as we feel that is best for our response area. Thing to add too is a huge shout out to Kevin Kleeman, our sales rep, and also Gary Thayer, both for Vogelpohl Fire. It's been tremendous throughout this whole entire process. It's about a 2-year build process, I guess, for us. So they've been with us every step of the way. So huge thanks to them as well.
Yeah, and along with that, our elected officials too. I don't know that we could thank them enough for making this happen. They got 2 government bodies that came together and came to an agreement to buy 2 pieces of apparatus, and it just doesn't happen a whole lot. So we're very thankful for them, and like Lieutenant Hopkins said, for Kevin and Gary and Vogelpohl's company. They do a great job, and we're blessed to have them locally to be able to do business with them. You know, the truck that we're replacing with the rescue pumper is a 2003 E1, and it's just outperformed anything else we've ever had. We went with a different manufacturer last time for a ladder truck, and the quality and the customer service wasn't there. And E1 and Vogelpohl by far have proven to us that they're willing to stand behind their product, and that's the main reason why we went with it.